Good morning, guys. Today we're working on 2016 Kia Soul. So this vehicle, the customer complained the check engine light came on sometime flashing, sometime it up by itself. So anyway, let's see what we have here. 300 more than one cylinder misfire. 302 cylinder number 2 misfire detected. So what I would like to do, we have data stream, go on misfire, letter M, yeah, thank you. We have the misfire current. Cylinder 1, number 2, keep in mind that guys, cylinder number 2 misfire, 3 and 4. What I would like to do, we'll go back here, see, as you can see, injection time number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, that's it, are 0 now. Let me start the engine. As you can see, the check engine light turn off. Okay, anyway, as you can see, the computer still control the fuel injector, 0.82 all 4 cylinder, but no misfire count at all. Keep in mind cylinder number 2 misfire, guys, but now seems 0. Let me wrap the engine and see. I can feel the engine shake. As you can see, the check engine light flashing now, indicates of misfire, but on the data, no counting at all. Oh, as you can see, cylinder number 2 injection time is 0. Okay, think about this, guy. If you go wrong on fuel injection system, and you may get a wrong diagnosis. Okay, and let's see. That I would like to do, go under the hood and see how the engine's shaking. As you can see, the engine running right now, and it's shaking for me. As you can see, the engine shaking, but on the data it's still counting 0 on the cylinder number 2 fuel injector, and misfire counting nothing. I don't know, the software happened, or on the scan tool software, it's doesn't run the misfire count. But anyway, I don't want to go wrong on this. As you can see here, the cylinder number 2, I will mark number 2 on it, and this is the number 1. Again, on the scan tool is 0 on the fuel injector number 2, and no misfire count at all. Let me turn off the engine and do some test to see this happen on the fuel injection or on the spark. Okay, it's the engine off right now, guys. what I would like to do, go ahead and as you can see earlier, the computers control all the fuel injectors, but after running for a while, the computers shut down the fuel injector number 2. That something happened on the fuel injection, or something else. Let me, oh, don't put here. What I would like to do, I will swap the coil to protect the cat. The computer tried to shut down the fuel on the misfire cylinder. Sometimes you guys thinking wrong and you get the problem when you deal with the wrong system. Okay guys, right now the cylinder number 2, it has this number 1 coil on it right now. We can set up the oscilloscope and to see what happened with the computer control the coil. But anyway, when the computer shut down the fuel injector, and it's still, or maybe also shut down the fuel injection, the coil. As you can see right now on the scan 2, all non-application because the key off right now. Let me go inside and start the engine again. Keep in mind that's number 1 coil on number 2 cylinder right now, guys. Let me start the engine again and quick see on the data. As you can see, all the fuel, the computer control all the fuel injector now. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. No misfire count at all, guys. Let it run for a while and check it to see. Sorry for flare, I don't know. You guys can see in the video. Let me see. Yeah. Okay guys, we already swapped the coil to number 1. Later, if the computer shut down the number 1 fuel injector, what that means? That means the computer protect the cat and shut down the fuel injector. See, as you can see, number 1 fuel injection sum, no more, 0. Okay guys, we have the answer here. That coil on the coil mark number 2. Okay guys, again, if you guys see the data like this, you guys deal with the fuel injection system, you guys may get wrong direction. Okay, this vehicle, you remember, keep in mind that we have the coach here, also 300, more than 1 cylinder misfire, and now the cylinder number 1 misfire. Okay, that I would like to do, keep the camera on and I will shut down the engine. What I would like to do, The coil number 1 completely dead. Okay, let's see. Quit that guy. Okay, I will move the coil number 1 now. This vehicle I remember 100-something thousand miles on this, but I don't know. Okay guys, the coil here, I'm on it, the number 2. The coil is gone, okay? Why? Because I moved from number 2 to number 1, and number 1 is got a misfire code, and the computer tried to shut down the fuel injector on number 1 caused by that coil. And the reason why I need to move the spark plug to see why the computer set the code at for random misfire. More than 100,000 miles on the vehicle, guys. If the spark plug had been seen brand new, as you can see, the spark plug is like, if we out too much, it's too old. Yeah, NTK radium. Yeah, you can see the spark plug is not good. Too old. And you can see the spark plug on the cylinder number 1 also. You can see right here. I don't know, you guys can see. Yeah. It's very on the, we're out too much, guys. Okay, anyway. Okay guys, that's it. Don't go wrong on diagnostics. And this vehicle need a first one brand new coil, and also need tune up or spark plug change, maybe engine, air filter. This vehicle seems brand new until now. Look like the owner never do the tune up, and that's why, cause you guys know that when the spark plug become too old, the vehicle still run okay, but it's it will be less power, spend more gas, and anyway, it's not like the brand new. Okay, that's it, guys. This vehicle need a brand new coil, and need all spark plugs, and also need the engine, air filter maybe. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Don't go wrong on diagnostics.